Hey, Betty. You enjoying your bath? It's okay. We'll just pretend like you're in the pool, okay? You have fun.
Can you stand up?
Have fun, love. Ethan. Uh-oh, what are you trying to get? What are you trying to get? Huh? Trying to get the octopus? You having fun in the bathtub, love? See, I don't like the pool because it's too cold. So I like to go in the bathtub. Huh, buddy?
This will be perfect for him, though, if we put the pool outside and warm it up and give him this thing.
Yep. Look. Hi! What was that? Say hi to Grandma. Hi, Grandma. All right, Betty.